The fact that our lifestyle habits can manipulate genes may be shocking to many people. Genes are an important factor that determines all the physiological characteristics of our body, but recent research shows that our daily lifestyle habits can have a great impact on the expression of our genes. In this article, we will explain in detail how genes work and how lifestyle habits affect genes. 1. Genes and gene expression. Genes are the basic units that determine our biological characteristics. Genes are composed of DNA, which exists in every cell of our body. However, not all genes are always active. Gene expression is the process by which genes produce proteins or perform other functions. Gene expression is regulated by many factors, and this regulation process can be affected by our lifestyle habits. 2. Diet and genes. Diet is one of the major factors that directly affects gene expression. The food we eat affects our metabolism and immune system, which can change the expression of our genes. Antioxidants and inflammation. Antioxidants found in foods can help regulate the inflammatory response of genes. For example, vitamins C and E, which are abundant in fruits and vegetables, help to remove free radicals and reduce inflammation. These antioxidants can lower the risk of chronic diseases by regulating the expression of genes related to inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids and genes. Omega-3 fatty acids have a positive effect on gene expression. These fatty acids can help promote heart health and reduce inflammation, which can lead to changes at the gene level. Omega-3s help to lower the risk of cardiovascular disease by regulating the expression of certain genes. 3. Exercise and genes. Exercise is another important lifestyle habit that has a major impact on gene expression. Regular physical activity changes gene expression, which helps to improve health and prevent diseases. Muscle growth and genes. Exercise changes gene expression in muscle cells, which promotes muscle growth and recovery. In particular, resistance exercise activates certain genes to promote muscle protein synthesis, which increases muscle size and strength. These changes in genes can improve muscle strength and stamina in the long term. Cardiovascular health and genes. Aerobic exercise improves cardiovascular health and reduces the risk of heart disease by regulating the expression of related genes. Exercise activates genes that reduce inflammation and regulate blood pressure. This can improve heart health and contribute to the prevention of chronic diseases such as hypertension. 4. Stress and genes. Stress is a factor that can significantly affect gene expression. Chronic stress causes various physical and mental health problems, and this can also cause changes at the genetic level. Stress hormones and genes. Stress promotes the secretion of stress hormones such as cortisol. Cortisol affects the inflammatory response and immune system, which directly affects gene expression. When stress becomes chronic, genes related to inflammation are activated, which can increase the risk of various diseases. Mental health and genes. Chronic stress causes mental health problems, which can cause changes in gene expression. Mental health problems such as depression and anxiety can change the expression of certain genes, which can affect the balance of neurotransmitters. 5. Sleep and genes. Sleep is one of the factors that has an important effect on gene expression. Lack of sleep or poor quality of sleep can affect gene expression and cause various health problems. Sleep and metabolism. Sufficient sleep regulates metabolism and stabilizes the expression of metabolism-related genes. Lack of sleep can increase the risk of insulin resistance and metabolic syndrome, which causes changes at the gene level. Sleep and the immune system. Sleep is important for regulating the function of the immune system. Lack of sleep can decrease immune function and reduce the expression of immune-related genes, which can reduce resistance to infection. 6. Environmental factors and genes. Environmental factors can also affect gene expression. Air pollution, chemicals, and other environmental stressors can affect genes and adversely affect health. Air pollution and genes. Exposure to air pollution increases inflammation and oxidative stress, which can affect gene expression. Genes activated by air pollution can increase the risk of respiratory and cardiovascular diseases. Chemicals and genes. A variety of chemicals found in the environment can affect genes. For example, exposure to chemicals can change the expression of certain genes, which can increase the risk of diseases such as cancer. 7. Interactions between genetic modification and lifestyle. The interactions between genetic modification and lifestyle are complex and multidimensional. Not only are genes affected by environmental factors and lifestyle, but our lifestyles also directly affect gene expression. These interactions play a significant role in an individual's health and disease risk. Personalized healthcare. Understanding the interactions between genes and lifestyles will enable personalized healthcare based on an individual's genetic information. A personalized diet and exercise plan can be developed to optimize health. Future medicine. Future medicine will utilize the interactions between genes and lifestyles to develop personalized treatments and prevention strategies. This can provide new approaches to improving health and preventing diseases through genetic manipulation. Conclusion. Knowing that our lifestyles not only affect our health, but also have a significant impact on gene expression can motivate us to improve our lifestyles. It is important to understand how various factors such as diet, exercise, stress management, and sleep affect your genes, and maintain healthy lifestyle habits based on this. This approach can be effective in optimizing your personal health and preventing diseases.